Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. Negril, Westmoreland, Jamaica. 5 would-to-be robbers has been taken out by the Jamaican authorities. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari soldier here of Deeproots TV. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. Help me build up the Rastaman panel as news comes out of Westmoreland in Negril, Jamaica. 3 suspected robbers were reportedly killed and other 2 seriously injured in an alleged gunfight in close proximity to the Burger King in Negril, Westmoreland. According to reports, robbers were believed to have traveled to the location in several vehicles and were seemingly about to attack a cash-in-transit vehicle when they were accosted by police officer Tame. The men reportedly challenged the police officer during a gunfight. 5 of them were shot. We cannot declare that they are dead. That's the job of the doctor, says a police source. However, based on my observation, I can officially say 3 of them are deceased and 2 of them transported to the hospital with serious injuries. Right now, I have to give a round of applause to the Jamaican authorities because UNOA put in the work. The government are shorting the population of their well-deserved safety, and the Jamaican police are doing their jobs. 5 robbers shot. Negril, Westmoreland. It appears that 3 of them gone home, gone see them maker, as you see on the screen. Yeah, one of them is being fished out right now. It appears him gonna swim on him own. If you continue to look, you're going to see 3 of them practicing their floating techniques on the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, tell your little boys and girls, don't ramp around with the police in the world. If you want to have whole heap of money, work hard, invest, gamble even, but don't try the robbery, not in Negril, not in Westmoreland, Jamaica. 5 of them get wet because the black rain fall from the sky. You are going to see the 3 of them did so afloat. They acting like they didn't know what was going on. Them are lay down like some goat. I'm telling you, little girls and boys, don't take the police for toy. Westmoreland, down on the grill now play. Don't you stray, cause the bullet them now stray. The Jamaican authorities is sending a message to the Jamaican criminals them. Say, if you want to ramp around, you will get quang. Jamaica, Negril, Westmoreland. 5 robbers running pan a transit team that was bringing the cream close to the Burger King in a Negril, Westmoreland. Then get wet, black rain fall. Yeah, me no care if them the short, maga or tall. Now a lot of mother and friends and family are go ball because 5 of them get wet. Not 1, not 2, not 3. 5 of them get set. You are guarantee I'm saying that 5 of them might be seen their maker. 3 has been confirmed dead. The other 2 battering for life at the hospital. If I'd me a the doctor, me a make them go home quick. Me nah look pan them because me know there's a whole bunch of people at the hospital that really need help. I'm reporting live from the studio here in Deeproots TV. I'm Rastafari soldier. 5 criminals in a Negril that attempt to rob a money vehicle in transit were taken out by the Jamaican authorities. Good riddance. It appears them couldn't swim, but then try to get away across the ocean, but them did not have that magic potion. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Link me up at 876-553-8962 on the WhatsApp. Imagine young youths. And the police, them want to try to shoot. Well, the police wet them and set them and call for them parents to come get them. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. The police, them wet up, them rotted. Both them are go out on the beach. Run them are running up. They said about 7 firearms were retrieved from this interaction. They must think that the police did afraid of little guys with some toll. I'm telling you, the real bad man them in the country are the police and soldier. Negril getting a little bit safer because the police and the soldier and the special operation team plan up for these fools. If you know what I mean. Little youths, go to school, learn the golden rule, and be an honest, upright citizen in a Jamaica, especially in a Negril Westmoreland. You will get it with the left or the right hand. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV, reporting live. Jamaica is a little bit safer because 5 criminals get some petrol, not from the taser. Good riddance, Negril. 5 robbers that attempt to rob a money transit vehicle got taken out. The Jamaican authorities are doing their work. It's like a movie, but them never star the show. You are gonna the JCF and the JDF star the show. Leave your comment on this one. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel. He couldn't swim and jump off in the deep end. You are gonna
Big up Deeproots TV every time. Blessings, Rasta Soji, I already know. Bless up.
Man, a Deeproots, man. A whole junker there. Fly them sitting here and fly. Yeah.
TV with gun time for the action part.
Yeah. Cool on Jenna.
Oh, you know about it, Pops?
Cool on.